Can I replace the battery of ADT doorbell camera with a new one?
Hello there. Are you interested in learning how to replace the battery in your ADT doorbell camera? If yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the whole process. So, don't worry, even if you're not technically inclined, we'll make it simple for you. This guide is designed to ensure that you can replace your ADT doorbell camera battery safely and efficiently.
Does your ADT doorbell camera have a replaceable battery?
Before we get started, it's important to know that not all ADT doorbell cameras have replaceable batteries. Some models have built-in batteries that are not designed to be user replaceable. Therefore, before trying to replace the battery, check the user manual of your ADT doorbell camera to ensure that the battery is replaceable.
What kind of battery do you need?
If your ADT doorbell camera has a replaceable battery, you need to make sure you have the correct replacement battery on hand. ADT doorbell cameras usually use rechargeable lithium batteries. Always refer to your product manual for the specific type and model of battery that is compatible with your doorbell camera.
How to replace the battery?
Assuming you've determined that your battery is replaceable and you've got the correct replacement, let's go through the replacement steps. 1. Turn off your ADT doorbell camera. This is to ensure your safety during the battery replacement process. 2. Remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket. Usually, the doorbell can be easily slid up and out from its mounting bracket. 3. Open the battery compartment. The location of this will vary depending on the model of your ADT doorbell camera. Consult your product manual for the exact location. 4. Remove the old battery. Once you've opened the battery compartment, carefully remove the old battery. 5. Insert the new battery. After removing the old battery, insert the new one, making sure the battery's polarity is correctly aligned. 6. Close the battery compartment and reattach the doorbell to its mounting bracket. Once you've inserted the new battery, close the battery compartment and reattach the doorbell to its mounting bracket. 7. Turn on your ADT doorbell camera. After everything is secure, turn on your ADT doorbell camera. And that's it. You've just learned how to replace the battery of your ADT doorbell camera. We hope this guide was easy to follow and helpful. Remember, safety comes first. So, always turn off the device before working on it and ensure you're using the correct type of battery. Happy tinkering!